Betsy, you said today was going to be a ponytail day. I think that bared out. Got any hair advice for tomorrow?
Tomorrow,
I don't have enough to have one anymore.
We could tie it up on top. You can do the top
The
knot.
little bam bam.
Yeah, that'd be very fun. I'll tell you what, it's going to be a little bit better tomorrow. It's a hot mess back over here, so I apologize.
All good, Betsy Klein.
She
It
always
is what
does.
it is. Let's take a look at what's going on. We actually have prospects for some drier weather, brighter skies coming in. Partly cloudy to mostly sunny for the day tomorrow. We're going to have more cloud cover farther south, but it looks like most of the area should be able to stay dry. 50s to start, 70s for the afternoon, just above average. And as you take a look at the map, boy, what a mess off to the south of us. Keep in mind, we are still dealing with the same frontal boundary that's just kind of waffling back and forth over the Ohio Valley. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. Very happy down there along the river. And you can see the showers and storms that are just kind of training right along with that boundary. Now, farther to the east, they got some nasty thunderstorms. This was the leftovers of what we had last night and early this morning. Those kept going east and brought all kinds of problems to the East Coast cities like New York City, down into Philadelphia, Boston earlier this evening. So things are definitely a lot worse over that way. But we're just kind of going to do this same exact thing for the next couple days, watching this boundary. If it comes back north, we will have better chances for rain showers, and we'll also tap into some of the warmer air. At one point this morning, Cleveland was at 59, Cincinnati was at 87. Just a huge temperature difference across that boundary. And that warm, moist, humid air is off to the south, and eventually that will start to come back our way. Hour by hour forecast, kind of broad brush strokes here, okay? For tomorrow morning, most of the state will be dry. We'll have some residual cloud cover. We may even have some fog around, but by afternoon, you can see temperatures start to warm up nicely. Notice the green right around the lake. We'll have a northerly wind. The wind is going to flow toward that boundary, so we'll be a little cooler along the lakeshore than areas farther south. Northeast wind continues into Thursday morning, which will be dry, and we'll have a dry afternoon on Thursday too. Beautiful weather. But then once we get to Friday, we'll start to watch this boundary sneaking back to the north ever so slowly, and by Friday night we may bring in some chances for some showers and storms. It's a pretty slim chance right now. It looks like Saturday there's some better chances for rain and rumbles, but Sunday for the marathon, which is the big marathon, I know there's things going on Saturday too, but for the marathon Sunday morning, 7 a.m. it steps off. Temperatures in the 60s, probably going to feel a little muggy, not the best of running weather, but throughout the greater Cleveland, at least we won't be dealing with a lot of wind. Remember a few years ago we had grapple and hail and all that stuff? I mean, come on, it's Cleveland Marathon. You just kind of roll the dice when you run that one. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast has morning fog chances, then mostly sunny skies for the afternoon. We'll be in the 70s, mid-70s, partly cloudy for Thursday. Those sneaky rain chances possible late Friday, and then better chances for scattered rain and rumbles on Saturday. Into the 80s by Sunday afternoon, but remember in the morning we'll be in the 60s. And then finally it looks like early next week we will get into a bit of a drying trend. We'll be right back.